My big walker. Good job, honey. Yay! Good job, little. Good job. You're such a big boy. You're such a big boy. You have a shirt on Grandpa got you, huh? What are you doing? Come here. Come here. Come here. Little. Come here. Walk some more. Yeah, come on. Come on, show Mommy. Oh, good job. Yay. Look at you, honey. Look at you, such a big boy. Such a big boy. Are you gonna go around the island? No? We're gonna detour at the table? Okay, hang on. You gonna try to reach something up at the table? Oh, there's the pewter. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, Big Walker? You're gonna bonk your head and then you're gonna cry. Please don't go under the table. What are you doing?